I like these cool tins when you're running a Baja engine with no lower tin, but here's a problem with them. They rattle a lot.
What a pain in the ass.
There's one installed. Oh yeah, look at that reflection. And there we go, poor man's fix. It's just a regular coat hanger from the dry cleaners, and I didn't even take the paint off, I don't care. I ran it from the upper cylinder tin down between the cool tin and the pushrod tubes, and I did the same thing in the back. One of the hardest things I've found to deal with the Baja engine was securing this upper tin so it didn't rattle, and we killed two birds with one stone. And you can adjust it just by twisting right here. And just twist it a little bit, that makes it tighter. Easy peasy. Now I'm sure there's a better solution out there, and I'm trying to come up with it, but for now this will work great. Alright guys, enjoy the Quickie, we'll see you. One of the problems with using these cool tins in the back, and you get the bonus of one of the hardest things to deal with, at least for me, was securing. I like the cool tins when you don't have the lower tin on a Baja engine, but here's the problem with them. Oh, fuck.